Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss the topic the years of depression. So student, firstly you must have to understand what is depression. But depression is the downturn in the economic activities. It is the time period when the economic activities slow down for a longer period of a time. For a short period of time, when there is a downturn in the economic activities, it is known as recession. But when the time period is 3 years or more, that is known as the depression. What happened, beta? In the year 1929, there was a great economic depression. Why it is known as great economic depression? As you know, depression is the downturn in the economic activity for a longer period of time, and great economic depression when the downturn come in the economy of the world, not of any particular country, of the whole world. So this happened in history in the year of 1929. 1929 is the time period of a great economic depression for the world. The reason was that there was a downturn in the economic activities of the US economy. And obviously now also you know the value of the dollar is the currency of any of the countries calculated in term of the dollar. Like we calculate the value of our rupee in term of dollar. 1 US dollar is equal to 73 rupees, like this. So when there was a recession or a depression in the economy of US, obviously it will affect the economy of the world. Okay. Now better go back to the previous video. In that I explained to you, after the First World War, the Treaty of Versailles was signed, and according to the treaty, Germany has to give many of its economic resources to the winning nation. Apart from that, it also had to pay the war reparation amount. And because of all these things, the economy of Germany became weaker. And the year of 1923 was a very severe year for the economic activity. There was a great downfall in the economic activity. The economy of Germany became so worsened in the year of 1929. That you have studied that the currency of Germany, that is the German mark, the value of German mark goes so down. And at that time, US helped Germany through its Dawes Plan. Through the Dawes Plan, US gave the loan to Germany, which helped Germany to recover its economy. But Germany can't be able to recover its economy so much, and after few years the great economic depression came. And because of this great economic depression, the US economy itself goes down. And because of this, through the Dawes Plan, the loans which US gave to Germany, and through which it was helping Germany to recover its economy, this help was taken away by the US, and Germany can't be able to recover its economy. So Germany was the one country which was severely affected because of this great economic depression. So now students, we come on the topic. This is all the background which I told you regarding the years of depression. As the heading suggests, years of depression means in this topic we will discuss the years which are near to 1929, near to that of the time when the great economic depression came. The years between 1924 to 29 saw some stability. You know, in 1923 US gave the help to German economy through the Dawes Plan, and because of those loans, the economy of Germany recovered somehow from year 1924 to 29. Therefore, show some kind of a stability in a German economy. Yet this was built on sand. Why they said that this was built on sand? Because all this recovery was due to the loan taken from the US. It means this recovery is just not a stronger one, because these are because of the loans. As Germany investment and the industrial recovery were totally depend on short-term loans from USA. This support was withdrawn. US withdrew this support of the Dawes plan of giving a short-term loans to Germany when the Wall Street Exchange clashed in 1929. Beta, this This is Wall Street Exchange is the stock market of US. As BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, is the stock market of India. In a similar way, the stock market of US is known as Wall Street Exchange. There is a crash. Crash means a great downfall in the stock exchange market of US in the year of 1929. And because of this, US withdraw all its support which it was given earlier to Germany. And because of this, when people get the information of this, the news of a crash in the economy of US, then they lost their trust and they started selling out their shares. People started selling their share in the fear of a fall in price. क्योंकि उनको ये डर था, they were having a fear that there might be a fall of the prices of their share. So because before reducing of the prices of their share, they prefer to sell out their shares. And because of the selling of the shares, so much selling of the share, again the stock exchange market goes more, sink more. On 24th October 1929, 13 million shares were sold out. Now you can understand the situation. When 13 million shares sold out, obviously there was again a great downfall in the economy, because no one in the market was ready to buy the share. All were trying to sell out their shares. And this was the start of the Great Economic Depression. From here the Great Economic Depression began. It began from US and it taken under its cover whole of the economy of the world. Over next 3 years, that is 1929 to 32, national income of USA fall by half. The national income, the GDP of USA fall by half. Factories shut down, export reduce, farmers hit badly, and speculators withdraw their money from the market. Speculator, the one who speculate and buy the share from the stock exchange and then sell out when the prices goes up. But now when the market is going down, then speculators also sell out all their shares and they were not ready to invest in the market. The effect of this recession beta is a short-term depression, and when the economy downfall is of a long term of 3 years and more, then recession get converted into a depression. Okay. The effect of this recession in US economy felt worldwide. As I told you, the effect goes on the whole world. And the economy of Germany was the worst hit. It was the economy of Germany which was hit very badly because of this. Because before this also the economy of Germany was not stronger, it became so weak. By 1932, industrial production fall in Germany, and there was a fall in the industrial production up to the 40% of 1929. 1929 में जितना इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन हो रहा था उसका 40% और कम हो गया till the 1932. Workers lost their jobs, and the one who were there in the job, they were paid less, like what is happening in the country now also. Now there is a pandemic, COVID-19, in India also and in other part of the world, and because of that there is a downfall of the economy. In our country also the GDP goes in negative, minus 23. So it means this is the economic recession time period. When this recession, this is the starting of that. When this continue for 3 or more than 3 years, then this is said to be the Great Depression. Okay. So at that time also this was the situation, and now also, as you know, many people are losing their job. Those who are there in the job, they got the less wages and the salaries. The same thing happened at that time also. Unemployment increased to 6 million on the street of Germany. how you can understand the situation, you can understand this by, on the street of Germany, you can see a man holding a placard, a board in their neck, on which it was written that they are ready to do any of the work. Means they show the severity of the unemployment in the country, that the educated person even were ready to do any of the work. They were holding a placard in their neck saying willing to do any work. As jobs disappeared from the market, youth took to the criminal activities. Because now also this is happening in the country, when the youth is not are not going to the schools and the colleges, they are free, and the one who get education, they are not finding the job, then for earning the money, they took up the path of the criminal activity. So the criminal activity also started at that time in Germany. The economic crisis created deep anxiety and the fear in the mind of the people. They can't be able to understand how to cope up with all these problems, how to fulfill their daily needs. The working class, the middle class and the big businessmen, all these get worse hit by the economic depression. Only the organized workers, the one who have some kind of a skill and their work is needed in day-to-day life, जिनकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है, only those people were having the work. As now also, like the shops of a confectionery shop, people are having, but here is a term worker. Okay, organized worker could keep their head above the water, but their bargaining skill, means earlier they can bargain and gain the more money for their work, but now their bargaining skill goes down because no one is ready to give more money in the market because they themselves were not having so much. Peasantry affected by the sharp fall in the agriculture price. The farmers, when they took up their crop to the market, they don't get the good price of that, and because of that they were started dying because of hungers. Now this is the economic situation of the country. Now what the government was doing in the Germany at that time, you know which government was there? There was a Weimar Republic. That was the newly elected Republican form of the government, the political form of government, democratic form of government. Before the Weimar Republic, you know, there was a monarchy in Germany. So people in Germany were having a fresh experience of a kind of a Republican government. But the experience which they were getting was not satisfactory because as the Weimar Republic came to power, it soon was forced to sign a Treaty of Versailles, which was so much humiliating for Germany. Apart from that, now the time came for a great economic depression. The economy of the country got ruined up. The people were not having employment, they were not having money. So the experience of the people of Germany, of the newly Republican democratic government was not bad, was very bad, was totally unsatisfactory. And this paved the way for a dictatorship form of a government in a country, in Germany, which was established later by Hitler. The benefit of all these situations were taken up by the Hitler, and he established a dictatorship form of a government in Germany, which you will study later in the later video. And why people were ready to accept the dictatorship form of a government? Because they had a bad experience of a Republican or the democratic form of a government. Now we discuss about the defects which were there in the Weimar Republic. Weimar Republic had some inherited defect. उसकी कुछ कमियां थी, which make the Weimar Republic more weaker. Like the proportional representation. In the election, the government was elected through a proportional representation method. This is the method used in our country also in the election of a president. So what happened? What is the drawback in this method? When the government was elected by this method, then none of the party got the majority. And every time when the government was formed, it was formed by a kind of a coalition government. And in a coalition government, you all know that it is difficult to work because both the parties had their own ideology. So there was a continuous kind of a strike between the ideology of a two parties. So this is one of the defects of the Weimar Republic, the method of election of it, that is the proportional representation. Through this method, none of the party got the majority, and the government established was that of the coalition government. And the second defect was the Article 48. What was Article 48 in the German Constitution? Article 48 gives power to the president to impose emergency in the country. Beta, this Hitler also taken the benefit of this article for establishing dictatorship in Germany. This you will study later. Okay. So what Article 48 did, it gave the power to the president to impose the emergency in the country. And you know, during the time of emergency, all the civil rights, the liberties of the people, the fundamental rights of the people were taken away, and there was a rule by decree. Means the rule of the president, presidential rule was there. So both these defects were they were the reason why the Weimar Republic became unpopular, and both these defects helped the Hitler to came to the power. You can see in the in 39 days there were incidents of 20 times. 20 times the emergency was declared in Germany, one after another, and all these things dissatisfied the people of Germany. Okay. So student, in this video we study about the year of depressions. In the years of depression, there was a recession, there was a great depression in the economy of Germany, and the government also can't be able to do anything in that because of its weaknesses. And all these things paved the way to the rise of Hitler and the establishment of dictatorship in Germany. So in the next video we goes to that another topic, that is Hitler rise to the power. Thank you.